Hey everyone, my name is Nick. I'm from the west coast of the United States, in the Portland, Oregon area specifically. I'm currently a master's student at Geneva Business School in Barcelona. I'm studying my master's in international management with a specialization in finance. In the mornings, I wake up, take my morning shower, brush my teeth, I get dressed for the day, do my hair, and then I head out. I usually stop by the cafe at my residence and grab my €2 coffee before heading to the metro. I moved to Barcelona September 1st of 2025. I live in the area of the Maresme Forum neighborhood. It's in the northeastern part of the city, and this part of the city has multiple high-end hotels, multiple grocery stores, and a very big shopping mall, all within about a 5 to 7 minute walk from my residence. And not to mention, some of the biggest music festivals in the city and the beach are within walking distance as well. I get to school by the metro. It's about a 30-minute ride where I meet up with my friend Emma in Plaza Catalunya. So Geneva Business School has been a great experience. I have met some amazing people and formed connections with folks from all over the world. I really enjoy the smaller class sizes so that we're able to build more personal connections with our professors and classmates. Most, if not all of the professors, also currently work in the field that they are teaching, meaning that the content is super relevant and it gives students very valuable industry connections right from the very beginning. The master's classes all start in the afternoon, so I normally get to campus a couple of hours early, which is when I'm typically in one of the study rooms getting my work done before classes, catching up with my friends, and of course, I'm always taking advantage of the coffee machine. I've really enjoyed Barcelona so far because it has just about everything you could look for. From professional business, networking events, hundreds of different types of restaurants, the amazing beaches, the relaxing culture, and some of the most active nightlife of anywhere I have ever been. Barcelona is a super commuter-friendly city. The Metro Pass allows you to take the tram, metro, and bus all included. There are also bikes for rent all over the city, which is a super cheap, easy, and fun way to get around the town. And not to mention the amazing friends I've made from all over the world. My favorite part of Barcelona is most definitely the food. You can find just about any type of cuisine here, and in general, the restaurants are pretty affordable and very good quality. Most days, in between or after my classes, you can find me at a restaurant grabbing a drink, maybe some tapas with friends. Before I moved here, most people told me that they fell in love with Barcelona because of the beaches, nightlife, or the Instagram-worthy photo ops around the city. But I think that the real beauty of Barcelona is in the everyday stuff most people never really hype. It's like the corner bakeries I visit often enough for them to know my order. The old man at the corner cafe arguing about FC Barcelona at 9 a.m. The random street performers on the corner or in the metro. I think Barcelona's real charm isn't in the tourist highlights, but rather it's in the quiet, normal moments you only really notice once you've actually lived here. Now, Barcelona is famous for some of the craziest nightlife scenes out of anywhere in the world. If going to a club and getting home at 6 or 7 in the morning sounds fun to you, then Barcelona is the place to be. However, in my opinion, the smaller, more hidden bars that are on the side streets I've never even heard of, that's where the real fun is at. So Barcelona is a very international city. With over 15 million visitors every year, it stays pretty busy all the time. There's a really large international student population here in Barcelona as well, with more than 30 different universities within the city. The majority of people here are very kind and welcoming, and you can meet just about any type of person here in Barcelona. This city has a culture that hits you the second you step outside. It's a mix of Catalan traditions and holidays, professionally creative energy, and that relaxed Mediterranean rhythm that everyone talks about. You can see it in the long lunches, the street festivals that appear out of nowhere, and the way people fill every outdoor cafe the moment the sun comes out. It's a city that loves art, food, community, and definitely being outside. It's almost impossible not to get pulled into that lifestyle once you're here. Thanks for joining me on a typical day in my life as a Geneva Business School student in Barcelona. I hope to see you here.